Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing amazingly good. My name is Pranav. Today we'll be discussing about how do you build a profile before you do an MBA. All the top B schools out there would love to have candidates who are good with a profile. So today we'll be discussing about how do you build a profile in two different aspects. First being the academic profile, second being the non-academic profile. When we talk about the academic profile, the first thing is internships. Yes, you must be doing a lot of internships before you graduate because that will give an idea of different industries and will also give you a knowledge from all the aspects. It also allows you to imagine yourself into different industries and which industry fits you better. Second thing, you should always have a work experience before you do an MBA. Yes, having a right set of work experience before you do an MBA is always a plus factor because it will add a credibility to your account, also would increase your peer-to-peer learning once you join the B school. The third thing is that pick up some kind of online courses from the internet. You have plethora of options available out there for all the domains. For example, if you're a finance aspirant, you got to learn CFA, FRM, portfolio management, wealth management. If you're a marketing aspirant, you got to learn the digital marketing, which is the bone of the nation. If you're an HR aspirant, you got to learn the different set of recruitments that happen in the industry. And if you're an operations student, you got to learn the different kind of functions that happen in the industry. Now let's move on to the non-academic profile building. The first thing is pick up a kind of hobby that interests you a lot. For example, I love writing, so I would love to have my blogs. The same way, if you like something, start cultivating the same habit. The second thing is always be a part of NGO. Yes, being a part of NGO is considered to be one of the bone factor because we believe that what kind of knowledge that we have, we would always love to share with other people and try to help the people out there in different means. So being a part of NGO or a club is always advised. Point number 3, pick up a kind of sport that interests you a lot. For example, if I like playing basketball, I would enroll myself into different clubs which play basketball. The same way, if you love playing cricket, if you love playing something else, you would always love to have that sport because that keeps you mentally fit and also would try to gain that kind of leadership skills from playing that sport. And the last point is always be a part of the competitions. No matter it is happening in the college or outside the college, always try to participate in all the modes of competitions because if you be a part of competition, you will get a lot of exposure out there. Doesn't matter if you win or lose, but being a part of competition would always enrich your confidence. So by following these small steps, you would ace your profile. And tomorrow when you're going for any kind of B school interview, your profile would stand apart from all the candidates out there. Thank you.